Can I ask you something? When you hear English, do you understand the words but still feel lost?
Like the words are familiar, but the sentence moves too fast, and suddenly you're 3 sentences behind.
That feeling. We know it. And today's conversation is made specifically for that feeling.
Hey everyone, we are so happy you are here today.
This episode is for A1 listeners. That means very simple English, slow and clear, easy sentences.
Just relax. Listen. You don't have to study. You don't have to take notes.
Just let the English come to you. That's it.
Okay, Alex, let's start simple. Let's talk about a normal morning.
Perfect. I love that. So, Mia, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7, but I don't get up immediately.
Same. I wake up, I look at my phone, I close my eyes again.
Exactly. The first 15 minutes are just lying there.
Just existing.
Just existing. Not sleeping, not awake, just there.
And then what do you do after you actually get up?
First thing, I drink water. Then I make coffee.
Coffee first for me. Always coffee first.
You don't drink water first?
Mia, it's coffee. There is no time for water before coffee.
Okay, I understand.
And then I get dressed, I eat breakfast, and I start my day.
Simple routine. But honestly, a good morning makes the whole day better.
It really does. When the morning is calm, everything feels easier.
Alex, you said a really useful word just now. Routine. Let's talk about it.
Yes, the word is routine. R-O-U-T-I-N-E. Routine.
What does routine mean? It means the things you do every day, in the same order, at the same time.
Like wake up, brush teeth, make coffee, eat breakfast. If you do this every morning, that is your morning routine.
Where do people use this? Everywhere. Morning routine, night routine, exercise routine, work routine.
When do people say it? When they talk about their daily habits, the things they do regularly.
Like, I have a good morning routine. That means every morning I do the same healthy things.
Or, my routine is very simple. That means my daily habits are easy and not complicated.
Why do people use this word? Because routine gives life structure. It makes every day feel organized and calm.
Quick scene. 2 friends, Anna and Jake, talking at work.
Anna says, "You seem so calm every morning. What's your secret?"
Jake says, "Honestly, I have a good routine. I wake up at the same time every day, exercise for 20 minutes, eat breakfast, then work."
Anna says, "That sounds really nice. I have no routine. Every morning is a disaster."
Jake laughs and says, "Start small. Just wake up at the same time. That's enough to begin."
Routine. A simple word, but it describes something really powerful.
Small habits every day. That's how life gets better. Slowly.
Mia, let's do something fun. Let's have a simple conversation, like 2 people at a coffee shop.
Oh, I love this. Okay, I'll be the customer. You be the person working there.
Perfect. Okay, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Of course. Hot or cold?
Hot, please, with a little milk.
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
And your name?
Mia.
Perfect. That will be $3.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready in just a moment.
Okay, let's slow down and look at that conversation. It was simple, but it had so many useful phrases.
Right. What can I get for you? That's how someone asks what you want at a coffee shop or restaurant.
That will be $3.50. That means the price is $3.50.
Just a moment. That means wait a short time. Not long, just a little.
These are real phrases. People say them every day in America.
Mia, I want to teach a very simple but very important word. Friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly.
Oh, yes, this word is everywhere.
What does friendly mean? It means warm, kind, easy to talk to. When someone is friendly, they make you feel comfortable.
A friendly person smiles at you. They are happy to help. They don't make you feel nervous.
Like, the people in that city are so friendly. That means people there are kind and welcoming to strangers.
Or, she has a very friendly smile. That means her smile is warm and makes you feel good.
When do people say it? When they want to describe someone who is easy to be around.
And here's something important. Friendly is different from friend. A friendly person is kind to you, but they are not necessarily your friend yet.
Yes, a stranger can be friendly. Your waiter can be friendly. Even a dog can be friendly.
Especially a dog.
Quick scene. Two tourists, Maria and David, arrive in a new city.
Maria looks around and says, I'm nervous. I don't know anyone here.
David smiles and says, Don't worry. The people here are really friendly. Just smile back and you'll be fine.
Maria says, Are you sure?
David says, Yes, I came here last year. Everyone was so helpful and friendly. I loved it.
Maria takes a breath. Okay, let's go.
Friendly. A simple word, but it changes how you feel about a place, about a person, about a moment. You know, Mia, I think just listening to simple conversations like this one every day is honestly one of the best ways to improve your English.
Completely. You don't need a textbook. You don't need to study grammar for hours.
You just need to listen regularly to real English, simple and clear.
So if this feels good, if you understand us and you feel comfortable listening, please subscribe.
We make new conversations every week. Simple English, real topics, always beginner friendly.
We really want to be part of your English journey, so stay with us.
Mia, let's do another simple conversation. This time, two people meeting for the first time.
Great idea. Okay, I'll start. Hi, I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mia. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Alex?
I'm from Chicago. And you?
I'm from New York. Do you like Chicago?
Yes, I love it. It's a beautiful city. Do you like New York?
I love New York. It's very busy but very exciting.
How long have you been here?
Just 2 days. It's my first time in this city.
Oh, really? I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. Me too.
Okay, let's look at some phrases from that. Nice to meet you. You say this when you meet someone for the first time.
And they answer, nice to meet you too. Always add to at the end.
How long have you been here? This means when did you arrive? How many days?
And I hope you enjoy it. That's a warm, friendly thing to say to someone new somewhere.
These phrases sound small, but they open doors. They start conversations.
And every friendship, every connection starts with a simple hello.
Mia, there's one more word I want to talk about today, because I think a lot of our listeners feel this word when they speak English.
What word?
Nervous. N-E-R-V-O-U-S. Nervous.
Oh, yes. So important.
What does nervous mean? It means you feel worried or scared about something that is going to happen. Your heart beats fast. Maybe your hands shake a little.
It's not always big fear. Sometimes nervous is just a small, uncomfortable feeling before something new.
Where do people use this word? Before exams, before interviews, before speaking in a new language, before meeting new people.
Like, I'm so nervous about my English test tomorrow. That means I feel worried. I hope I do well.
Or, don't be nervous. You'll be fine. That's what a friend says to calm you down.
When do people feel nervous?
At the beginning of new things, before important moments.
And here's something important to remember. Being nervous is normal. It means you care about something.
It means you want to do well. That's actually a good sign.
Quick scene. Two students, Lily and Tom, before an English speaking exam.
Lily's hands are shaking. She says, Tom, I'm so nervous. I can't remember anything.
Tom says, breathe. You studied hard. You know this.
Lily says, what if I make mistakes?
Tom says, everyone makes mistakes. That's okay. Just speak. Don't stop.
Lily takes a deep breath. Okay, I can do this.
Tom smiles. Yes, you can.
To everyone listening right now who feels nervous about speaking English,
You can do this. Everyone starts nervous. Every single person.
the nervousness gets smaller every time you try.
All right, everyone. We are so proud of you for listening today.
Seriously, if you understood most of this, that is real progress. Be proud of yourself.
Today, we talked about simple, everyday conversations, a morning routine, a coffee shop, meeting someone new.
And we learned 3 really useful words: routine, friendly, nervous.
Say them with us. Routine,
Friendly.
nervous.
You know those words now, not just the meaning, but the feeling, the situation. That's real English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe. Share it with a friend who is also learning English.
And leave us a comment below. Tell us which word was your favorite today. Or tell us in English, how are you feeling right now?
We read every comment, and we love hearing from you.
Next time, we're going to have another simple A1 conversation. Different situations, new words, same warm energy.
So come back. We'll be here.
Take care of yourselves, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye!
Bye.